Hello guys, welcome to another video segment of my video tutorial on this channel. So what I do basically it's about online platforms that give you opportunity to make money online, and some of them are free platforms whereby if you can be able to apply the strategies that I share on those videos about the platforms, you can be able to earn some coins for yourself, so such as USDT and some in Nigerian currency, which is in Naira. So you can basically earn freely on those free sites by following the simple strategies I share. So, and secondly, for the paid platform, the same goes with those ones. So you can also make sure stick with me carefully, watch the video again and again while you grab the whole line of the video segments. So I want you to stick with me completely on this particular channel, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the YouTube channel is very important. If you can be able to subscribe, you get updated early immediately I make a video. So also you can equally open the links in the description of this video while you get registered on this particular platform that I will be sharing in this particular video tutorial. So, and also there will be a link in the description that will take you to a WhatsApp platform where we share updates. Some of the platforms are not really the ones that I make video about, and some of them are also shared on this platform, which is on YouTube. So I want you to join the platform on WhatsApp and get updated earlier before the YouTube version of my update. So, and also there will be a link in the description also that will guide you on how to register and own a Binance exchange platform. And with the Binance exchange platform, you can be able to receive your payments such as USDT and other various cryptocurrency coins. So if you want to register on Binance and own an exchange platform, so you can simply click on the link in the description of the video and get yourself registered, and also verify. If you are in Nigeria, you can simply verify using your national identification number, and Binance has made it quite simple that one can easily get registered without previous complex verification process that was initially adopted. So this particular video, it's not particularly on Binance opening, but if you want me to make a video on how to set up a Binance account, you can also comment in the comment section of this video, and I will get to prepare such video for you to guide you on how to get your own account verified in a very simple way without the tedious procedure that was initially initiated. So this particular video, it's all about another earning platform that you get signed up and instantly you'll be given $5 bonus as a registered member on the platform. So the name of the platform that I will be talking about is called Football 360s. So Football 360s is just like a closely related platform like the one I talked about in my previous video, Tycoon, that I made a video on Football Tycoon that has paid massively to those who registered and stick with the platform, and people are still earning from the platform. So that particular one is the one that they give you $6 immediately you sign up and request for your $6 bonus, and you can be able to boost it to $20. But this particular one that I'll be talking about today is very simple. in the sense that immediately you get registered, you don't need to request for $6 or so. All you need is to simply sign up and get to your dashboard and check your balance. You can be able to see $5 welcome bonus that you can use to generate extra profit for yourself, and you can withdraw the whole money immediately you finish. So, and the minimum withdrawal is just $10. So all you need is to boost $5 with extra $5, so you can completely withdraw all your earnings into your exchange platform that you're making use of. So without wasting much of our time here, so let me simply dive into the platform and show you the step by step on how to get registered and also start gaming and make profits on daily basis. So this there is assurance that have been made available on the platform that if you, because the matches have been made to provide a leverage that if you lose the match, your $5 will be refunded back to you. So that is one of the best part of this platform. So immediately you click on the link that is in the description of this video. It will be the first link in the description of this video. So simply click on that link and sign up. So as a first time a member that is trying to register, you might be finding it difficult because network would be a kind of limiting. So but I want you to be patient with what you are going to incur while trying to sign up for the first time. So all you have to do is to simply sign up. Let me open my dashboard without signing up again. I've already owned an account, and I'll be showing you another so this is how it's going to look like. So here you have to click on by the side right corner side of the dashboard of the website page. You will see register. So you simply click on register and it will let me just click on it. It will provide you form to fill, and when you come here you insert your email you want to make use of, and the name you want to use for your account registration, and the password here. Then you confirm the password, then accept the agreement terms. So then you get registered. Here you click on register. It will take you straight to your dashboard, and you try and save the password so that if you come back to this site you can be able to find it easy while trying to log in. So next thing you're going to do is to simply come to this place, and then to save your application on your dashboard or on your phone desktop. So what you have to do is to simply, for easy access, that is what I'm saying, you can simply click on this three dotted line. So when you click on these dotted lines, it will bring you to this page. So then come down to this place and you see add to home screen. So when you add this you click on add to home screen, it will pop up this particular title of the application. So you just rewrite, or you can leave this one like this, or the way you want it to appear on your home screen, and then attach, you add. Immediately you click on add, you can be able to see it in form of an application on your home screen without going through the link that I will send to you again before you can be able to access the dashboard. So that is how you follow and add the site or the platform on your home screen at ease. So without wasting much of our time, so let's simply go back and log in through my own dashboard and show you some things and how to start gaming. So when I go back, I can be able to see option for sign in, so or login. I will put my details and then log in. So now it has taken me to my dashboard. So this is the first page that is going to pop up immediately you click on login. So right here, this is the current match that is that is currently opened. So you simply click on betting, so it will go away. Now you are already on your dashboard, so the next thing you're going to do, you can play around these options here. See, agent here, home is here. The first one is home, where we'll be making use of. Then record is the the match you've or the game that you've played. You can be able to come to record and see it, the one that has been completed and the ongoing one or the processing one. Then you come to mine, containing your profile and some other things, withdrawal or some other things like that. So now what we'll be doing is to simply come to, when you're already on your home now, so the next thing you're going to do is to come to home. Then you can be able to see this recommended event. So when you come to recommended event, click on it. So you come to recommended event, click on it. You can be able to see this one now. So you see this particular game is the recommended event, the game that you are expected to play. And even if you lose the game, just follow the rules here. Even if you lose, you are going to get refunded. So that is the secret behind playing game on this site. So now you click on betting. So when I click on betting, sorry, let me show you one thing first. So you see this 100%. So it's giving you a guarantee of 100%. If you lose, you get your money back into your wallet. So when I click on betting, it will pop up this page. Then you go to this to play safe. So that is why I'm following these rules here. To play safe with more confidence, you can use this 2% profits is what you're going to. But if you want to take the risk and earn higher, you can go for the 4.1% or 3.2% according to your personal prediction. So but according to the game, or you can go for 7.4% of the capital that you have, which is $5. Now 2% is the normal game chance that you can be able to bet and you earn the profit. And also if you get lost, if not win predict well, they will get your money refunded. That is just the gist here. Now immediately you select this 2%, you click on bet. You click on bet here. So you can be able to click on bet here. So in my video, I always try to point out so many things using the arrow, the pen handle, so that you can be able to follow accordingly without missing any point of the video. Now you click on this, come to this place and attach your amount here. So you can be able to put $5. For the fact that I've already placed a game, you no longer see the total balance I'm supposed to have here now. So it's supposed to, my balance should be reflecting here now. So but I've already placed a match before I am making this video. Now you click on the next thing, you click on confirm betting. So you use your $5 to place a match on to game here, so that you be expecting to earn some profits for yourself at the end of the tournament. Now the profit aspect of it, now let me just quickly go back because I've already shown you this. So when you come to agent, here you have your commission from the referral program, which is the invitation of friends and the data reports, the number of persons you've invited, and their earnings. The commission you earn will reflect here. So now when you come to record, now the next option, which is record, when I click on record, you can be able to see total betting. Now I've already placed the bet. Now it's pending, saying the game should be over by now. Now it's pending. I'm waiting for my profit to reflect here. So my profit is going to reflect here. So that is all you see, and to see all it's here. Now you can push it down to see the compensation rate. The compensation rate is 3.5. So the compensation rate is 3.5. Then bet amount is $5. Then estimated profit is $0.17 per game. Then betting time is 6:04. So I don't know, this is taking long to arrive. My earnings is taking long to arrive, but I believe it to arrive soon. Now to go to the other page, other option here, which is mine, you can be able to see your wallet here. You see your record again, you see recharge, but you are not recharging anything here. We are using the $5 to boost and withdraw. Immediately we'll get to $10. Then withdrawal is this option. The withdrawal account is where you set your account for withdrawal. So when you click on withdrawal account, you can be able to click on this information modification. Click on this information modification, so it will take you to this page. Then you can be able to select the account, select the one you want to make use of, either Tron or BUSD. Then you BSC, Binance Smart Chain. So you select TRS 20, which is the first option here, so that if you are using TRS 20, you can select that one first. Then if you are using BSC USDT, you can select, but I prefer this one. Then you copy your wallet address, insert it here, then you click on modify. So that is what you are going to do. Then you go back. If you want to contact the customer service, you can use this handle here, this option, or you want to read about the platform and any common problem you are facing, you can sort it out here. Then password management is here. So this is all you have to know about this platform. Then betting profit will reflect here, and the available balance will also reflect here. So that is all I want to show you. Just grab this offer now and start taking the advantage of this platform. While I see you next in my video that I'll be uploading in the next video tutorial. So keep this platform active by clicking on the link in the description of this video. Get all you want to do. You can join our WhatsApp group, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video if you found it valuable. So see you in my next video. Thank you.